Hello once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be doing a simple top. All you need is to make 3 pieces of granny square of your colors of your choice. I've used brown, yellow and black. You make 3 of them. And if you want to know how to do granny square, please kindly watch my video. There's a video on my YouTube channel that shows you and guides you on to make a perfect granny square. So you have my 3 squares, perfect squares. So we want to attach straps. You chain a strap of 200 chains on this corner and also the other one on this corner. The way we are going to place them, they will be like this. The shape of the top, it will be something like this, and the other one will be in the main row here. Like this. That will be the shape of our top. So we will attach a strap here and another one on this point here. So I'll be using white yarn to do that. So we will attach our yarn from this corner, chain 1 like that. Then we are going to chain 150, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I'll see you when you're done with the 200 chains. $196, $197, $198, $199, $200. So at this point you cut off your yarn. We are at 200 chains. So we will also put another chain of 200 on the other square. So attach your yarn, chain 1, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chain until you get to 200. $91, $92, $93, $94, $95, $96, $97, $98, $99, $100. That makes 200 chains. We cut off this. Then make a knot very close to the last chain. And also this side. So we have our 2 squares attached with the chain. This will make our straps. So this is the shape of our top. So we'll join this together first. Let's join this. So let's join this like the wrong side will face each other, then let's attach them like that. The wrong side will be out, then the right side is inside. So we attach this. Remember, the shape of our top will be like this. One strap should be here, the other strap should be here, like that. And then the other square here. So we are going to attach from this point. Let's now place our this is the wrong side, right side. So we join from here. You'll be joining from this side, don't join from here. So let's do that. Establish your corner stitch, grab the outer loop and the other side outer loop, attach your yarn like that, chain 1, then the next one, the outer loop, and the other side the outer loop, and do a slip stitch like that. Grab the outer loop and the other side outer loop, do a slip stitch. That will be our pattern till we get to this corner. So remember, you're not using both loops, the back loops only to do the slip stitch. Ensure you're using the corresponding stitches so that your work is neat. So this is how it looks on this side, the inside side, the wrong side, and this is how it should look on the right side. So let's do that till the end. So let me see you when you get to this point, corner stitch. So we are coming almost to the end of our row. The first 2 squares are joined with a slip stitch. So we have come to the corner, chain 1 and cut off from this point. So this is how our 2 squares look like. They are now joined. This is the right side, this is the wrong side, and now we need to join Remember the shape of our top. It's like this. Our straps are on this side, the two straps. So we want to join this other square on this one. So place your turn your, this is the right side. Right now it's facing on the right side. Just place it on top like that. Then establish. So the wrong sides are on the outer side, the right side is inside. So establish your corner stitch again, and we attach the two squares. Here, this is our corner stitch. We use the back loops. Attach your yarn, chain one, use the back loops to make your slip stitches. Hope you are able to see how the slip stitches look like. You just join the two back loops, grab your yarn, pull through like that. So let me see you when we get to this point. So we are at the corner of our second so we are done with that. Let's try to make it a bit tight. It's a bit loose. Okay, so you chain one and cut off your yarn. So once you are done attaching this patch, turn it like this. These are our straps. We will not leave this hanging like this. We will sew them off, then turn your top like this. We have the straps. We just alternate them around. So this one you get in to this corner here. Then the other one comes to this corner. Like that. You can just wrap it around this end again, put on another hole here on the other side, alternate like this. Remember, we are leaving some allowance for the shoulders, so something like that. Yeah, just wrap it around as comfortable as you can be. And that's our top. You don't leave this hanging like this, so get your darning needle, sew it away, mostly on the inside part. Don't make it too tight. Then the extra yarn, you cut it off, and also this part, sew it away. And there we have our beautiful top. Sunflower granny square top. Very simple and easy to work with. So cut off the excess yarn. There we are. So thank you so much for watching. Let me see you in the next upload. Bye.